Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am memory keeping the month of November. So this is one of my last months in this planner, which I am moving into the new Sadie Stickers planner. And it's going to have a Sunday start, which I'm excited about because I've been confused for like a year. Okay, so this is a beautiful kit from Caress Press. It's called Oak Ave and it's so pretty. I just really like the colors, and it's not like super Thanksgiving-y because some of my spreads this month are, and I'm going to show you those in a minute. But I really like the color scheme in this, and the florals, the plaid, of course. So that's a 3-page little kit, and then you also get this sheet. I love the small deco and these extra boxes here. And then I have my sidebar sticker. I chose this one. Before we get to the monthly spread, let's look at my weekly ones. These are so cute. I love like all of them. So this is the first one. This is a kit from Jessica Hart's, and this was the week of Halloween and the start of November. So I just love this kit. This was such a fun activity with my nephew, and it was a pretty good week. It was busy, super busy, and so I was glad to have like the weekend to kind of get my life together with the time change. And then this spread is so pretty. This is a kit from Sadie's Stickers. I just love this kit. It's so pretty. The foiling is gorgeous. So this was a good week, I see here, and lots of fun things happening at work, and it looks like a good weekend. This week is so cute. This is a kit from Lemon and Honey Studio. I just love this. My nephew is so cute. Looks like a good week. Kind of slowed down, and I needed that. I remember that week. This was right before Thanksgiving. I loved that book, Untying the Knot, super cute. Oh, this was my Thanksgiving spread. I just love this so much. This is a kit from, I think, Scribble Prints Co. Yeah. And I just added some foil to it and some cute little quote boxes. So cute. I love the little kitty. This is adorable. And that is it. So let's go back to the monthly spread and let's get going. I'm going to start with the covers that go across the top of the spread, and I just like to have those as a guideline for everything else later on, especially the sidebar sticker and the days that are not in the month. So I'm pulling out these little strips for the top here because those are days in October, and then there's also some days that at the end of the month, but I'll get to those in a second. So I'm putting in the sidebar sticker. I love how her kits fit like so perfectly in this planner. Just great. I love that. Like, it's so satisfying. And then just adding these stickers here for days that are not in the month. And I'm going to add one more because there's another date right there. We just added in that plaid sticker. And then I'm going to open it up and put in a couple of full boxes. These were just like randomly placed. I didn't choose them for specific spots really. I just kind of put them just where they weren't touching any of the big stickers. And then just adding in the holidays here. So there was Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, and then daylight savings time changed on the 6th. I was going to add in a few more, but I left them. And then just putting in my numbers here. I'm going to speed you through this because it is tedious and annoying. So we're going to get started, and then we're going to finish real quick. So I usually just put in the dates on Sunday just so I have a guide. And then I'm going to put in these this vacation strip for Thanksgiving. It wasn't really a vacation. I didn't go anywhere, but it was time off of work, so I like to mark that. And then we're going to start on Tuesday the 1st. So on this day, this is a funny thing to mark, but I wrote my first referral for the year. I haven't written one in like a while, but I had to. So I just found this sticker that's like the desk on fire, which is so funny. It was just a situation. We have resolved it. It is all good now, but I just need a little extra help there. On the 2nd, I had a really good workout, which I like to mark sometimes because those are few and far between these days. I'm hoping in 2023 I will get some of my momentum back, but for now, we're just like dragging myself to the finish line here. It's not pretty. I also worked on some Thanksgiving plans with my mom, so I put in a little notebook sticker for that because I was like writing notes and stuff. And then a little watch sticker from Lemon and Honey Studio for that good workout. And it's really hard to write in this planner when you get to like November and December because it's so thick. But I kind of figured out a way to do it toward the end of this video. I'll kind of show you that as we get there. So on the 3rd, I was figuring out this new testing system that we have to use in Texas this year. It's called TFAR. It's not fun. It's not user-friendly, but we have to use it. It's mandated. So I just spent like hours working through some stuff in there, and I found this You Can, what's it saying? Yes, You Can sticker. So cute with a little Campbell's can from Once More With Love. And then I put in a label on the 4th. We had College and Career Day, which we hadn't had in, I think, 2 or 3 years, because the first time it was canceled because of weather, and then we had the pandemic and everything. So it was a couple of years that we didn't have it, but I'm glad we are back at it. Then I put So Tired underneath that because it was just, I was exhausted. On the 5th, I went on a little hike with my nephew Gray, and we had fun. He had a lot of fun. He was exploring, and we just took it easy, a little easy hike, and it was fun to do that with him. I hope in the future, like, we can, like, do some harder ones, you know, as he gets older. I also had pizza that night, so I marked that in. On the 6th, this was the day that the time changed. And then I put in a label that is for a productive Sunday. Not all my Sundays are productive. And I really want to like work on this more, but I try to do like more on Saturdays. But then I'm always like, well, I got Sunday to do it. And that's not a good plan. It's not good. So I need to work on that for sure. I finally found a sticker. I was looking forever, but I found a little candle sticker from the Crafty Banana. And then on the 7th, I led a few meetings, and they weren't like at my campus. So like when I'm with like my people at the high school campus, like I'm good. Like I feel pretty comfortable, unless somebody's being a jerk, but doesn't happen so much anymore. But I was doing some trainings at the other campuses, and I put here, why do I still get nervous leading meetings sometimes? I don't know. It happens. But hopefully I'll get over that in the next few years. On the 8th, that was election day, and I put in a little vote sticker from Fox and Pip, and I just made a little note there that it wasn't all bad. Some of the races were pretty good. Texas, unfortunately, we didn't do everything that I was hoping for, but, you know, sometimes it takes time to, like, build things. I also did a really good workout this day, so I'm proud I worked out, which I didn't want to do. On the 9th, I had a meeting with my little tech team that I've created. I have a person at 2 of the other campuses. Like, we have 2 people that are like handling business at the other campuses for me, which is really handy, and they want to take on that too. So it's kind of worked out really well, but we meet once a month, and so I'm going to put that in just a moment. Also, this was the day that my vacuum broke, and I'd had it for a while, like maybe 3 or 4 years, and I use it all the time because I'm a vacuum freak. So it broke. I was really sad. I tried to fix it, but it just wasn't happening. So I'm going to use a little clock sticker for the tech team, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of deco as well. There's the clock. Okay, so tech team meeting there. Then we're going to go to the 10th. So I ended up putting some Christmas decorations up on the 10th, more than I had already done. I'm moving the Veterans Day program because when I was renumbering them, obviously the 11th was on Friday, so it always tricks me up with the Monday start planner. So on the 10th, I put in a cute little sticker to mark that I was putting up more Christmas decorations. And then I finished a book by Megan Quinn called The Runaway Groomsman. It was really cute. I liked it a lot. And then on the 11th, we had a really good program. Our NHS, National Honor Society kids, put it on, and it was really good. I liked it. And I did some more shopping for Christmas. So I'm going to put in a little shopping sticker from Fox and Cactus. I was almost done with my Christmas shopping. Like, I'm pretty much finished by the end of the month. I ordered a few things on Black Friday, but everything's here, and I'm done, which is great. So on the 12th, I had a FaceTime with my sister and my mom. We were doing more Thanksgiving preparations because this was my sister's first time to do anything with Thanksgiving, like on her own. I mean, we were there, but We were in different houses across town a little bit, so we wanted to like just game plan and make sure we had everything finalized. And so I wrote that in with the cute little Fox and Pip sticker. On the 13th, nothing really of note happened, so I just added a little bit of deco and moved to the 14th. So this day I was making a whole bunch of exams, like benchmark exams for some tested subject teachers. They didn't want to mess with the system. It's really like clunky and I don't like it. It's not user-friendly at all. So I just offered to make their exams for them, and that worked out pretty well actually. And then on the 15th, I finished Handmaid's Tale season 5, and it was so good. Like, I felt a lot of redemption in that season. I really liked it, and I'm excited for the next season. It's going to be their final one. See where everything goes, because they're doing a prequel or a, I don't know, something else, like a spinoff later. So I would really be interested to see the prequel and see like, but I don't know if it's prequel. I'm not sure on that. Okay, let's keep going. So on the 16th, I put that I couldn't put down this book called Untying the Knot, also by Megan Quinn. I love that book so much. I want to reread it, but I'm like giving myself some time. It was so good. I also got my new vacuum that day, so I marked that. On the 17th, I spent a few hours outside working on just like winterizing my yard. So I raked leaves, I mowed, I like just tidied up everything and just made sure that everything was ready for the winter. And then on the 18th, didn't really do anything of note besides doing a little bit more shopping. And so I put in this cute little sticker on top of that full box. On the 19th, I was working on some goal prep work. I kind of started it, but like nothing serious. But this little session was like a really good time to like put my ideas together, you know? So I spent a few hours working on that, and then I finished Untying the Knot this night. So I put in the little happy place reading sticker from Bubba Bear. And like I said, I loved it. I'm definitely going to reread it. It was great. It was like a romantic comedy, but like serious too. And it was like, I don't know, it was so different. Like they weren't meeting. They were already married and they were going to break up, but then they got back together and it was really cute. I liked it. Okay, on the 20th, I did some more wrapping. Also, I was like anxious this day for like no apparent reason. So I marked that in with a little Coffee Monsters Co. sticker. And then on the 21st, I cleaned out my car. Just got it ready for family because I knew we were going to be going like back and forth between my house and my sister's house a lot. So made sure that everything was good with my car, especially like the trunk because I knew we were going to be like loading up food. And then I had a follow-up appointment with my doctor about my anxiety, which was convenient. And we had that on the books for like 2 months. But we had a really good combo. It was great. She's just really supportive, and I'm just super grateful for her. She's really gotten me through all of this and like has helped me a lot. So on the 22nd, I had a big cleaning sesh, just cleaning up a storm, which I don't really do anymore because I have my like whole cleaning system, but this day I just felt the need for that. And then I just made some final preparations for my family to get there. On the 23rd, they arrived, and, or was it the 22nd? I can't remember. I don't remember, but they showed up and we started cooking a little bit and we just had some family time. So I grabbed a family time sticker and a little icon for cooking or eating, I guess. And then I'm grabbing some seasonal stickers for Thanksgiving. So I love this one from Fox and Pip. I need another sheet of this because I'm running out of that one particular sticker, but it's so cute. It's like cooking a turkey. And then, so I'm just popping in the family time sticker and then the eating sticker on the 25th because we were all about those leftovers. And then just adding in that little cooking sun or cooked sun right there. And then on the 24th, cooking took so long, but worth it. It was so good. It was one of our best, I think. Although I burned my pie crust, which I was really pissed about, but I didn't have time to finish like redo it. I was so mad. Anyway, on the 25th, this was my dad's birthday, so marking that in real quick. My sister and I got him like this really cute present. And then on the 26th, this was when my family went home to Midland, which is like south of where I live. And then I worked on my big list. I made myself this huge list about what I needed to do before going back to work on Monday. So I just grabbed a little house sticker for that because I couldn't really like figure out what else would like fit in that space. But that works. I was like searching forever, but I found the house sticker. There we go. Okay, on the 27th, I was trying really hard to get back into my routines, so I grabbed a coffee sticker from the Crafty Banana, and I put that in on the 27th, along with, I was working on some more goal prep work. I really like to do it in like sessions, so by the time you're watching this video, I'll have 2 of my goal prep videos up, if you want to go and watch those, and just see like my process and like the final results. But it's really helpful for me to like work for a little while and then step away, gather my thoughts, and then come back to it. So you see like, and this isn't even all the different sessions that I worked on it. I just worked on it off and on for a couple of weeks. That way I don't get like overwhelmed. On the 28th, this was kind of a stressful day because we were getting back into the swing of things, including the kids. The kids were a little bit nuts. So I just put a little square box and put that I was putting out fires, or tried to at least. And then just put that little asterisk sticker on the corner. On the 29th, I went and like covered DAP for some kids. And our kids don't really get in like serious trouble. It's really just like the vaping. Like they're just obsessed with the vaping. And that's the only thing they really get in trouble for. So they were in there and I went over to like cover for a little while and they were making me laugh so hard. Like they were just being silly. I think they just hadn't had a lot of human contact. And so I just sat there and like laughed with them for a little bit, gave them a little bit of a break. And then I put that I am done, meaning I don't even know what. Oh, I was done with my goal prep work. That's what it was. Oh, man. Okay, so that wasn't super obvious. But on the 30th, this was a student birthday, so I put that on there along with a So Tired sticker from Coffee Monsters Co. And when I say, like, I'm done with my goal work, it wasn't really done. It was just, like, the prep work was done to, like, actually create my goals, if that makes sense. And then just opening up the spread real quick and adding a little bit more deco. Thankfully, this deco was pretty small, so I was able to fit in quite a bit. And I think it just kind of fills out the spread, makes it look a little bit more cohesive, which is what I like in my spreads. Here's this spread all finished. It's so cute. I love it, but these are so much work to put together. I should probably like break it into 2 parts or something for myself and then put them together, but haven't done that yet. Maybe on the next one. I just love how this looks. It was a good month. I hope your November was good too. If you enjoyed watching me put together this spread, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!